Hello my dear students. So this is the part 2 videos on the topic of values of trigonometrical ratios. In this questions and in this video I'm going to cover this question. See, the question is there tan 45 minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree equals to 2 minus root 3. Now we have to prove this. We have to solve this left hand side and we must get the answer 2 minus root 3. This we have to prove. Now again this time also we are going to use a table. I have not displayed table. You can prefer your book. Okay, now let's start. So first of all, what is the value of tan 45? So tan 45 is 1. Then tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. If you are not sure about the values, you can use book. 1 plus, and this tan 45 is again 1 into tan 30 is again 1 by root 3. This is our LHS. So at first I'll write LHS equals to, okay, so I'm solving LHS. I'm trying to minimize this space, so I have cut off this copying question step. Now what we'll do is this part we will take LCM. So our LCM will be, what is our LCM? Its denominator is root 3. So our root 3 is LCM. Then 1 into root 3 minus 1 into 1. This is the detailed step I am showing to you all. And here also 1 into 1 is 1. So in this step also I am going to take a LCM. Root 3 is LCM. So again 1 into root 3 because it has nothing at its denominator plus 1 into 1. It already carries this root 3 at its denominator. Now let's keep on solving. Root 3 into 1 is root 3 minus 1. Don't get scared with the solution. Down also root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Now what we can do is, next step, we can cut this root 3 and root 3. So what is remaining is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now you need to pay attention. Most of the students think that this is the final answer, but no. Whenever like this complex form became at the last denominator, if there is root, as far as possible you need to do rationalization to remove this root. So now let's do rationalization. This is not our answer, we need to rationalize it. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. To rationalize, what we'll do, we will multiply by the same number what is in denominator, but we'll change the sign. So root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. This is rationalization steps. I have done nothing. Simply I have changed the sign of denominator and then opposite of denominator and then multiply by it. Or you can say the same as numerator. But if there is plus in numerator, then obviously we will not do same of numerator. We will follow opposite of denominator. I hope you are clear. So in this question, this minus and this minus is matching, but I have followed opposite of denominator. Now let's multiply now. Root 3 minus 1 whole square, this into this means, and down it is root 3 plus 1 root 3 minus 1. Okay, if you are confused at the first step, let me do this way. Root 3 minus 1. This root 3 minus 1, I just kept the bracket in it and kept together. That's it. Now in this step we can do root 3 minus 1 whole square by, now this is in the form of what? You can see this is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. Can you tell me which formula is this a plus b, a minus b? Yes, this formula is a square minus b square, right? Now I will simply write a means our root 3 whole square minus 1 whole square, right? And can you tell me, there is one more formula hidden in this numerator as well. What is there in this formula? Yes, it is a minus b whole square. It is in the form of a minus b whole square, isn't it? Okay. Now a means our root 3. So formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So minus 2, a means root 3, b means 1 plus b square means 1 square, by downside is a square minus b square. Now this square and root will cut, so 3 minus 1 will remain. Upside also this and this will cut, 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 upon 2. Now we can add this 3 and 1, so it became 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. We can solve one more step. At this top numerator we can take 2 common. So if I take 2 common, then 4 will become 2 minus root 3 upon 2. Now we can cut this 2 and 2. Now we will get our final answer as 2 minus root 3. Now this is in the numerator form, it's not in the denominator form. Now this can be our final answer. You can see the whole process. See, most of the students think that the answer is here, right? But answer is here, but if you stop over here, you will just get half marks only. See, the steps from here up to here is just half. Below that also there are so many process you need to follow that. So you need to do all this process to get this answer, and then only you will get the full marks. So I hope you all are clear. If not, then kindly message me or contact me